Are you running a business but you still don't have a website? Well, creating a website from scratch might seem like a daunting task, but Canva makes it easier than ever, so in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own website using Canva in just 5 minutes. Welcome to my channel IQ Graphics. Don't select this option website. Click on the search bar, type here, website. You will get different website designs to choose from. If you're looking for a specific category, like an educational website, or a business, choose the category. Choose this design, so let's check it. Once you have chosen a design for your website, we can go to the next step, which is to edit the contents of your website. Let's say you want to change this text. All you have to do is just select it and then enter the text. You can also change font by selecting font. If you want to change any image, just click on the image, then go to click on gallery. You can see that we have got different images to choose. Now your website is ready. How it's look on mobile. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, be sure to subscribe, like, and share my channel for more informative content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next, let me know in the comments below.